it's Dr. Brown. I just wanted to come and just explain a little bit about how Winona makes menopause care a little bit more accessible to our patients. So the traditional way of getting HRT or getting care for your menopausal symptoms is to make an appointment with your OBGYN or your family doctor, wait however long it takes to get that appointment and to go in person. And then when you get there, you're going to fill out some paperwork, you're going to do a bunch of things, and then you may or may not be able to get the help that you need. But then if they do prescribe HRT for you, then you're going to get a prescription that's sent over to the pharmacy, or you're going to be getting a paper prescription. Then you have to drive to the pharmacy to go pick up those medications before you can start taking them. Really, we make it much easier for patients because you can do all of that from the privacy of your own home. So you can go to the website, you can initiate care with a menopause certified provider who's board certified, and you can talk about prescriptions. You can get a prescription ordered that will then be mailed directly to your house. So this makes it much easier for patients to get access to care without any delays. In fact, most of the patients that order medications through us get their prescriptions within a week of the prescription being ordered. So it's very fast, very easy, and very convenient for patients.